So with 2021 out of here, let's go ahead and go around the workshop and see what has changed.
Self-destruct sequence activated.
Hey guys, let's go ahead and take a look back of 2021 of all the projects and everything that I happened to collect over last year. So hope you guys enjoy this video and stay tuned. Now basically you guys, I have the lights off right now, and this is what I got for myself for Christmas is the Doom Eternal Collector's Edition. There's the original Doom right there, Collector's Edition, and then there's the helmet, which also lights up. If you disconnect this little spot right here, it can turn on like that. That's basically all it does. 2 AA batteries, and that's basically what the helmet does. It is wearable. I have tried it on, and this is the Doom section right here. There's my neon Superman wall art right there, and then there's my Judge Dredd helmet, and also the arc reactor right there, and some of the other successful prints I have printed. And there is the Artemis Titanic, which looks done but it's not. I'll show that to you guys to another video. When I painted the red right here, some red got on the black and well, kind of ruined it a little bit, so I got to repaint that black. And then actually the workshop, my little work section right here, and then there is the Ender 5 Plus printer, my classic video games right there. And then there is, from the last video, you guys cannot really see it, is the proton pack and storage until I get the rest of the parts. And then there is the roof rack that I happen to build, and then my collection of Back to the Future with the Eaglemoss Back to the Future build the DeLorean right here. Took 3 years to build. I do recommend you guys should build something like this, but if you guys are going to, maybe do something else. And then my Terminator lamp right here, and then my collection of cars. Then here is the Ghostbuster collection right here. And then here is the Pride and Joy, the Terminator from Agora Models. Looking excellent right there with the poster in the background. And there's the jumpsuit you guys happen to see. And then a collection of my shirts right there that I happen to get out. So basically, that is the workshop. I know it's dark in here, but I have to guide it dark in here because of these lights right here. I want to display for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the workshop, and in the future everything will be changed and there will be a whole bunch new projects, and I'm thinking about putting the proton pack up there once it's all done. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and stay safe out there, you guys, and hope 2022 goes a lot better than, well, 2021. So peace out, you guys. Take care.